Hey guys, Casper here again. Third or fourth day in a row. That's good with a Twitter recap. Again, me just going through what I've been posting during the day and the retweets that I've made. And the people that I've been retweeting, you should definitely follow those guys. They are really good at their craftsmanship when it comes to trading and investing. Each have their own, rules and setups and guides, but very good, very clean. And yeah, I am about to upload I think 30 or 40 minutes video of every single SIL, the Silver Mining Index ETF stocks, the setups to look for, and there are 3 or 4 really beautiful charts there. Again, breaking out of massive consolidation periods, and they should be bought in my opinion. So that is about to be uploaded for the members of the Substack. So check it out, guys, if you want to. And let's dive straight into the business here. And that is good charts. Again, Blake here with, again, a very clean setup, in my opinion. Very clean, very simple, nothing fancy. But does it work? Absolutely. So he bought my dog here, 1,000 shares into his IRA. So this is a, falling wedge, very simple. A break of that, and we should start to see the price surge. Again, sometimes that's all it takes. And again, he's highlighting the volume from the initial spike. You can see when we are moving up here, volume is also following quite well. Very clean. And again, that's also why I'm very impressed with Blake, is the clean, simple setups. But again, they make money. So follow Blake for sure. One guy also to follow is David. Again, very different from charting. Again, he has his own tool that studies cycles, and it finds the cycle that has the biggest amplitude, like an FFT kind of operation, where you find the highest peak in the frequency. In this case, looking at this one here, the 300-minute. So you can see the cycle here. Very much, you can see the highs and lows. Again, are we close to a high here in the short term? Yeah, again, we have roughly like half an hour left until we peak, and then we find the next low. But we did make a higher high here from what I can see. So that should give us a higher low over there as well. So, yeah, different ways of doing it. But it's, again, I love it. Jake with the Baidu. So you can see Alibaba here had a 3-year basing, and we broke. Very, very, a base breakout like that you should buy into very, very often. And here we have Baidu, similar-ish. Again, trendline wise, there is one coming down from here as well. That again is very, very interesting. So once I think Baidu starts to trade north of roughly 110-ish, 15, again, that looks very, very promising. So again, very clean and neat little entry there. TrendSpider, the semiconductor struggle continues. That's SMH. Big lower low, rising wedge, breakdown, high volume. That's never a good thing. Death cross as well. Again, death cross is what it is, but the price action is definitely really, really bearish. You can see the rising wedge just entered the supply and demand zone here, and then boop, couldn't hold it. That's not good. That is not the best chart. XLE on the weekly divided by the SPY. So, well, how about that? You can see the XLE here is breaking out from the falling wedge, roughly 2 years. We did hit a little bit of resistance here, as you can see. But again, XLE here, in my opinion, is poised to outperform. And we can be pulling back and then break. But again, XLE should be a better play compared to the SPY. When looking, roughly 1 year out. I could easily see the old head and shoulder target here getting hit at 0.21. And that's also the triangle high, by the way. So again, that's where I could see, this ratio take us over the next year to year and a half. And that is a big outperformance. That is, 25% outperformance by the XLE, so the energy. AG divided by silver, First Majestic versus the silver price. 4 years of downtrend, very close to breakage here. And from that point on, again, more often than not, first, Majestic is going to outperform their underlying metal, silver in this case, and that's always bullish. That's always a good sign that people are going into the more leveraged stuff compared to the metal itself. And I think also the SIL divided by the silver price is very similar. So that is a good precursor, hopefully, what's about to happen. Of course, we have not been breaking it just yet here, so we have to wait. But it's still a very fun little channel to look to watch. URA on the monthly, so you have uranium miners adjusted for their metals and the energy cost, in this case oil. A 10-year bottom, head and shoulders, was broken a few years back. There it is, boom, in late 2023. Surge, and now we have been flagging here. This means the higher this weird ratio goes, the more bang for the buck for each pound that the miners are digging up from the ground for uranium they earn. So that is, again, if this was a chart alone, like a stock, that was a beautiful, and a lot of people would be buying the retest or the breakout from the flag. So again, so far, uranium miners are making more money than they have been doing for the past 15 years almost. That's good. That is really, really good. I think that's all I have for the day here, because this was the last day what we looked at. So it is what it is, guys. I have nothing further to show you. Have a great day, guys. Cheers and bye.